guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you are most definitely welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification bell to get notified when I upload new content. And also give this video a huge thumbs up and comment below. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. You're the real OG. I love you guys. Please make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up and also comment below, and feel free to share this video to your friends. And without further ado, let's dive right into this video. I'll be showing you how I achieve this massive hair growth using rice water. Yes, you heard me. Since Don't Sleep on Rice Water is doing the best lately, guys, and I've been using rice water since the time I did my big chop. That was like 2 years ago, or a year ago, 2 years ago, I think 2018. That was when I did my big chop, and I've been using rice water, and it has given me a good amount of hair growth. Let me show you. Hold up, let me show you. Can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see the length? Yes, that is what rice water does for your hair. So I'm going to show you how to use rice water to grow out your hair. Rice water has been the most efficient and efficacious remedy. Rice water has been used by women from the Yao tribe in China to grow out their long, really long hair, that is from their hair from the scalp to their feet. And I'll insert a picture of a Yao woman washing her hair in with rice water. They use rice water for their hair to grow out long, strong, shiny hair. Yes, and this is the benefit of rice water. Rice water grows out your hair and also makes it shiny and strong. Strong means that it will be very difficult to break while handling. Okay, so rice water is very, very important to the Yao women of China, and over the years it has revolved. People have incorporated it into hair products, and they have also incorporated it into a normal hair lifestyle or regimen to grow out fine long hair. Water is a must, and since the time I start pictures of when I did my big chop till now, since the time I did my big chop, I have been using rice water. At a point I noticed my scalp began to get irritated because of overusage of the rice water, so I resorted to adding oils and anything that can calm my scalp for the moment. And the best water to use is fermented rice water, and you get this fermentation after 24 hours. So to get the rice water that is good for your hair, that will encourage this hair growth and hair boosts and all of those good things, you need to use fermented rice water. I am not coming to condemn those who soak their rice for like 6 hours. That is okay, it's totally optional to them, but for me, I prefer soaking it for 24 hours. Let all the good nutrients transfer into the water. Some other people also prefer cooking their rice, which is totally optional to them. It is okay to cook your rice, but for me, the way I love my rice water, I don't prefer cooking it, because I believe that cooking it can just destroy some of those nutrients in it. I don't know how scientifically clear that is my own perspective. I don't know. So if you are okay or cool with cooking your rice to extract the water, that's totally up to you. I'm not condemning you, but this is just the way I like mine. I always add some oils to calm my scalp and calm the itchiness and irritation that goes on after application. Most times I use rice water as a rinse, or sometimes as a deep conditioner overnight. So I use the rice water and I wear a plastic bag over my head and leave it overnight. And in this video I'll be showing you how I do it overnight. It's super easy, it's super easy. Sometimes I also use it as a rinse for cases where I don't intend manipulating my hair for so long, or manipulating my hair for a while, so I just leave it, use it as a rinse, and then after 2 days I wash it off. So these are other steps you can incorporate rice water into your hair without the itchiness and all of that. Yes, so if you're interested to see how I use rice water to grow this long thick hair, to see how I grow out this hair, just keep on watching. If it's something you are interested in seeing, please keep on watching. Hi guys, so first and foremost you need an empty bowl, a clean bowl to soak your rice. So now I'll be taking some amount of rice and I'm pouring it into the bowl, more like a handful of rice. So I'm going to pour it into the empty container. First of all, I try to pick out the dirt, stones from the rice, although the rice is stone free, but I'm just examining it. And then I'm going to pour in water and start washing the rice. So take your time to wash the rice to remove dirt, dust, and all of those impurities in the rice. So here is an empty jar I'm going to use to soak the rice overnight, and here is my washed rice. So I transfer the rice into the jar. You should make sure your jar has a cover, an airtight cover, so you can soak it. And the next thing I do is to top it up with water. I fill it up to the brim because I want a good amount of water in my rice. I want to get a lot of rice water for my hair. This step is totally optional, but for me I just put in some lemon peels into my rice water to mask the bad smell, and then I cover up the jar with its cover and soak this overnight. This is going to stay overnight. By the next day, your rice water should be ready for use. So guys, this is the quantity of rice water I have. I lost the clip of when I was extracting the water. So what I'm going to go ahead to do is to transfer it into my spray bottle. It's kept pouring, so if you have a funnel, preferably use your funnel. So because of rice water dries out the scalp a lot, I decided to add some oil. So I'm adding olive oil to the rice water so that at least my scalp can get some moisture, my hair can get some moisture. And this is what it looks after the preparation. Guys, it's finally time to apply the rice water to my scalp. I have like a 4 days old braid cornrow I did, so I'm just going to unravel the cornrow and start applying the rice water. So I apply it almost close to the root of my hair and work it throughout the whole hair. I apply a generous amount so that it's enough to get the hair damp, and the hair gets enough nutrients from the rice water in it. So I'm just going to massage it into my scalp and work it down from the root of my hair to the tail of my hair. And when I'm done with that section, I secure it in a 2-strand twist. Now I pick another section of hair and begin to apply the rice water all over it. It is advisable you work section by section so that you can be able to massage the hair, the water into the hair, and get the maximum results that you want. So I'm just going to secure that hair into a 2-strand twist. Make sure you like this video and comment and subscribe if you haven't. So now I pick another section. I begin to work my way into it with the rice water. It is advisable you massage your scalp to encourage blood circulation, because blood circulation promotes hair growth. So while applying the rice water, you should also massage your scalp so that you can promote blood circulation on your scalp, which will encourage hair growth. So guys, I keep repeating the process, and that is what it is.
Keep talking all your shit. Oh, keep talking all your shit, baby. Your words, they're driving me crazy. Keep talking all your shit, baby. You know that I don't fuck with all your little games. The way you make me feel, I've been so.
So guys, done applying the rice water to the entire hair. So I still have a good amount of rice water left in my spray bottle. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to spray some more water on the hair. Peradventure some portions the rice water didn't get to, I'll make sure it gets to it, starting from the roots to the body and the tail of the 2-strand twist. Fortunately for me, I still have a good amount of rice water left, so I'm just going to store this in the refrigerator till next application.
I'm not stupid, you know.
Because I'm going to leave this overnight as a deep conditioner, I am going to secure it with a plastic bag because I don't want the hair to soak my pillow, and at the same time I want the heat to be retained there. So I'm just going to cover it with a plastic bag and secure with my hair net, and yes, that is all. Bonus hack you can do with your rice water. You can spritz some rice water on your cotton pad and use it as a toner to clean your face. Thank me later, okay? If you've gotten to this point and you have not still liked this video, you've not commented, and you've not subscribed, please go ahead and do all that. Click on that thumbs up button, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So guys, the next day I wash out the rice water with my shampoo and conditioner, and yeah, I let my hair to air dry. This is the length that I have achieved so far, and if you want to achieve more, be persistent in using your rice water. So guys, we've gotten to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a huge thumbs up and comment below. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please support your girl, subscribe to my channel. If you have not started using rice water, I don't know what else you're waiting for. I will encourage you that if you're natural, even not natural, you can also try out rice water. It's very good for the hair. It will give you fine hair, thick hair, flaunting the hair. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.